Good morning, everybody. This is Doug here, and I am in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. I've always found that name interesting. Anyway, I just got here last night, and this is home to the longest natural sea beach in the entire world. So it's very famous, one of the best vacation spots in Bangladesh. I think a lot of Bangladeshi families come here for their vacations or their holidays. So I have no plan. I'm going to go explore, meet some friendly people, I'm sure, maybe eat something, and just explore the beach. So let's go. Here we go. So I'm just walking along here, and all of a sudden I notice a familiar smell, or stench rather. It's the smell of dried fish, which happens to be one of my least favorite smells. But let's go into the dried fish market and explore it, because we're by the sea. Hi, how's it going? Demonachen. Mahalo. Good, how are you? I'm making YouTuber. Doug Barnard. You're on it. And I'm going to explore the dried fish market. You guys, yeah, dried fish. It's good? Okay. Well, I had some amazing seafood here last night, but it was not the dried variety. It was the normal hydrated variety. And it was very good at my hotel. But let's go explore it, and maybe this will lead us to the beach. All right, here we go, into the dried fish market. Oh, a lot of dried fish. Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Look at all this dried fish from the ceiling, it's amazing. We're completely surrounded by dried fish. All different kinds, huh? Ah, shrimps. Look at that, we got shrimp, we got these little guys. Wow, I don't know how you eat this stuff. Oh, I'm hitting my head on dried fish. I don't know how you eat this stuff. I guess you have to rehydrate it, probably. Very nice, thank you. Man, every store is filled with dried fish. How are you? Oh, the smell is overwhelming, guys. I'm sure it's tasty once you rehydrate it. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you. Okay, the dried fish market is a dead end, so we're heading out, and I'm gonna find my way to the beach. Here we go, Chalo. Same thing as Yalla, but in Bangla. All right, I see this road here. I think it's gonna lead to the beach, so I'm gonna follow that and see what happens. We've made it to the definite vacation spot for all the Bangladeshi people, because they've got all the vacation stuff. Look at this. You've got all the Cox's Bazar t-shirts. This is a swim shirt, actually. Bathing suits. And lots of sunglasses. This is just like any other beach town in the world. People selling souvenirs and whatnot. Okay, I think I have found the beach, finally. We've made it. Oh, hello, cow. You don't see as many of those walking around the streets in Bangladesh as you do in India, for obvious reasons. You know, big Hindu population in India, they revere cows as a holy animal, so there's a lot walking around on the streets. But here in Bangladesh, they do eat beef, so you don't see it as much. I've made it to the sand. Let's see, wow, it is crowded. Okay, oh my goodness. There's so many cows on the beach. Let's go look at the cows. Oh, there's a calf too with its mama. How cute. Hello, cows. Oh. Hello, Mr. Cow. Baby cow. Nice cow. Aw. Oh. Hi. Kemonachen. Oh, you like throwing sand at the cows. Okay. Wow, this is so crowded. Hello, how are you? Huh?
Fine.
ATV? No, thank you. Not right now. Maybe later. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, there is so much happening here. This is insane. Okay, we got horse rides. Over here, there's ATV rides. These guys must be selling jet ski rides or something. There's inner tubes up there, I think. Here we go. Hello.
Jet ski ride?
Jet ski ride? Maybe later. Thank you. I don't have my bathing suit. I will get my jeans all wet.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll be so wet for my bus later. That would really stink.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Hello. No, not now, thank you. Wow, oh my gosh, it's so crowded. This is nuts. Oh my goodness. This reminds me of the beach in Mumbai, India. I forget the name of the beach, but it was so crowded like this. It's unbelievable. There's just so many people, and there are a lot of people swimming, and a lot of people just kind of standing in the waves here. It's so nice though, I love it. Everyone's having a lot of fun. Wow, so nice. Assalamu alaikum. Hey, what's up? How are you?
Fine.
Kimunachin.
Fine.
Very good, very good. USA.
USA?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I like your shirt.
How much this?
Cox's Bazar.
Cox Bazar.
Very nice.
I'm Indian.
Indian?
Yeah.
From where?
West Bengal.
Huh?
West Bengal.
West Bengal, huh? Okay.
Calcutta.
Calcutta, huh? Very nice. I visited India 2 times, but never West Bengal. Next time, next time I hope so, yeah. Are you guys here on vacation?
Yes.
Vacation? Holiday?
Business.
Business? What's your business?
Import.
Import. What do you import?
Yeah, power tools.
Huh?
Power tools. Machinery.
Machines, tools. Okay, okay. Very nice. Good. So you're just enjoying the beach.
Yes. Let's go.
Where? Go where? I don't think so. I'm wearing sneakers.
Go.
Maybe later. I'm just gonna walk for now. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Oh, here comes the water. Okay. Everyone playing in the water. Oh my gosh. Hey, I have to give a lot of credit to Bangladesh for something, which is that I've never met anyone here who's had a problem with being on camera. And the police are also super chill. There's no BS like in Egypt where they're always giving you trouble for having a camera or anything. Like everyone here has been very welcoming to me as a tourist, which is great because they don't even have that many tourists in this country, Western tourists at least. So I think I'm getting called. What's up?
What's up?
Selfie? Okay, let's do it. Chalo.
Yeah.
You guys are on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Okay, subscribe please.
Yes, good idea.
Like, comment, share.
Yes,
Everyone.
like, comment, share. You heard it here first. Listen to the nice guys. Hey, you guys are on. What's up? Where are you guys from? Oh, dab on it. Dhaka, all you Dhaka? Yeah, Dhaka squad. Very nice. Thanks, guys. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. All right, I just flew the drone. I've attracted quite a crowd here. Everybody say hi. Hello. All right, guys, I'm just hanging, still on the beach with my friends. What are you doing, Hashik? We're just chilling on the chaise lounges, the 3 of us, and it's really nice because people on this beach just come around selling chips and juice and coffee. It's so nice. Thank you. Donabad. Bye. Thank you, guys. And it's quite nice. People just come and offer you things all day. You just relax. It's a good time. These guys are on vacation from Dhaka. Honestly, I am loving Cox's Bazar so far. People are very friendly. Everyone's on vacation, so everyone's in a great mood. I love it here. Now we're having ice cream. It's not that good, but it's still ice cream. All right, my new friends are going on the jet ski here. Do you know this team? New York Giants.
Yes.
New York. That's my team. I love that team. I don't think you know what it is, but I love your hat. Yes, that's awesome. That's the first time I've seen someone wearing Giants. Oh my gosh. We're taking lots of selfies here. What's up, guys? Oh, what's your team? Soccer, cricket, football? Cricket. Your cricket team, huh? From Dhaka? Chittagong. Oh, nice. Very nice. That's awesome. You're on holiday here? Holiday, okay. Cool. Oh, my friends are back from jet skiing already. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. No, I can't go jet skiing, man. I will get all wet.
Yes.
I have to take sleeper bus, so it'll be a big problem for me. How was it?
This is so horrible experience.
Why? What happened? All right, guys, before we continue the adventure, it is time for some lunch. So I'm gonna go find a restaurant and get me something to eat. All right, guys. So I have just come to this restaurant and gotten some basic chicken curry. It looks very good. And some rice, and I'm gonna put it over the rice and eat with my hands. Hopefully it's not too hot. All right, let's give it a try. They brought me a spoon and a fork, but I told them I will eat Bangla style. I also got some dal lentils, and they brought some olives, I think, pickled olives, and some vegetables. I'm gonna eat up, and I will see you guys in a few. Hello again, everybody. We are in a rickshaw, and we're going to Humchari Beach / nature reserve, apparently. And we're gonna go on a waterfall hunt. I hear there's waterfalls there. Apparently they're very beautiful. Let's go find them. Okay, I have made it to Humchari. It was actually pretty far from the downtown of Cox's Bazar, but I've made it. I'm here. There's just like a little market along the main road here, and then I think there's a viewpoint that I'm gonna try to hike up to. Okay, I have no idea what I'm buying a ticket for, but I think it might be for the viewpoint. I don't know, but I'm gonna walk in and let's see. That's the thing about, one of the things I've noticed about Bangladesh, whereas in India they would have a lot of signs in English in addition to the local language. Here it is not so common. So we shall see. Thank you. Thank you so much, Donabad. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'm through. But the ticket is in English, oddly enough. Cox's Bazar, South Forest Division, famous natural and attractive scenery of Cox's Bazar. Himchari Jahrina picnic spot. Okay, I guess this is it. Let's see.
Can I take a selfie with you?
Sure, let's do it.
Yeah.
Also, you're on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, what's
Hello
up?
from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I love Bangladesh.
Do you love that?
Yeah.
I got a selfie with you. So.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Nice to meet you guys. USA.
USA.
Yeah, yeah.
Amazing country.
Thanks. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. Oh. Small staircase, a lot of people. Almost up. I hope there's a nice viewpoint. Let's see. Oh, there's more stairs. Okay. The stairs are very steep, and there are a lot of them. Let me show you. I don't know if it comes across on video, but it is very steep. Hello. One picture, okay. Okay, good. Sure, nice to meet you. Okay. Oh my gosh, the stairs just keep going. Okay, I think I made it. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, amazing view of the sea.
Hello, bro.
Hello, how are you? Good, how are you? Wow. Amazing view. Let's see, this is facing west. Yeah, so this would be a great place to watch the sunset. Let's see what else. You just got the sea right there. I think it's the Bay of Bengal. And then across, just very, very dense jungle. So green. Oh my gosh, there's actually a whole building up here. Hello, how are you? Oh, she was so nice. Oh, I think this is the best spot. There's a really high viewpoint up here. I bet you can pay to use that telescope to look through it. Wow.
Hello.
How are you? Come on, Achin. Hello. Good. Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, very good.
What is your feeling about this place?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Oh.
It's such a nice place.
Hey bro, what's your country?
USA.
Oh my god, that's great.
Bangladesh is great. Okay.
What's your son?
Look, we got another crowd here. Hey guys, say hi to YouTube. Hey! Awesome, awesome, awesome. So many friendly people. So many selfies.
One more please.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, okay, another one.
Love you, Bangladesh.
Love you, Bangladesh. All right, guys, I've come upstairs to the upper part, which you had to pay 20 taka to get up here, which is about 25 cents or so. So this is an exclusive zone. I'm here with some of my new friends. I think you guys are from Dhaka, all of you? Yeah. Cool, cool. So everyone here is on vacation, and we're loving it. At least I'm loving it. And I think I'm gonna try to fly my drone here. There's some trees around, so I hope there's no interference, but let's give it a try because the view is so amazing. The view is beautiful up here. You can see so much of the beach, but of course it's only a little bit of the beach because it is the world's longest natural sea beach. All right, let's do it. Okay, I've heard the waterfall's this way. I'm not sure. A lot of characters back there, a lot of funny kids. What's up?
Huh?
What's up? Kemunachin. Ah, Balochi. Okay. Is that waterfall? Pani?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think it's this way. I'm very confused on if there's a waterfall here or not, but let's go. Last thing. All right, we have found the waterfall. It's very small, but I think there might be another one elsewhere at a different beach.
Because this is winter time.
Winter time, right. So when it's rainy season, it will be very big.
Very.
I believe you. Okay. So it's very small right now, but in the summer during rainy season, it will be very big.
Yes.
Got it. It's still nice to come find it. Yeah, there's nice cool air coming with the water. And it's a very beautiful place. Very beautiful. The Bangladeshi jungle. I love it. All right, so in the end, we found the waterfall. I'm gonna end the video here because I think it's becoming quite long, but I have thoroughly enjoyed my time in Cox's Bazar. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? I love the vibe here. Everyone seems to be very happy, very relaxed. It's beautiful. You've got the jungle, you've got the sea. I love it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, I'm trying to end my video. Okay. One more selfie for good measure. Good one. Thank you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.